Have you always wanted your own place up at the lake? Have I got the property for you right here in Lincolnton, Georgia, where you've got a 5-bedroom home sitting right on Clarksville Lake. I cannot wait for y'all to see the rest of this listing. So this home boasts over 4,500 square feet. We have 5 bedrooms, 3 on the main level, 2 in the basement, 3 bathrooms, and I cannot wait to show y'all the entertainment space in the basement below. For more info on this property along with all of our others, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I am Joe Seaman with the J Properties Group, brokered by Maybaum Real Estate. My contact number is 803-270-7583.